Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy some altcoin gems on the ZkSync Era network. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first thing to buy any coins or tokens on the ZkSync Era, you will need to have some Ethereum. So I would suggest is you buy some Ethereum. Now the best place to buy Ethereum would be Bybit because Bybit has an inbuilt chain where you can directly transfer your ZkSync Era based ETH to your crypto wallet. Now if you don't have an account on Bybit, I would suggest is you can use my sign up referral link where you can get the highest tier of rewards, which is like $30,000, or alternatively you can use the referral code as crypto505. Now once you have purchased Ethereum on Bybit, all you have to do is you will need to go to this website chainlist.org, and here in the search network you need to type ZkSync. Now you will need to have a wallet which can be either Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. So in this case, I will be showing you through my Trust Wallet because my MetaMask has lot of funds, so which I cannot show you for security reasons. So all you have to do is you will need to simply go ahead and connect your wallet over here, and then ZkSync Era chain would be added to your Trust Wallet or maybe MetaMask wallet. And then simply head to Bybit or any other centralized exchange that you use that has a ZkSync Era chain into it. All you have to do is you will need to go in withdraw over here, go and search for ETH. Sorry, not this ETH, the other ETH, this one. And in the withdraw you will need to paste your Ethereum address. So just I will show you how it can be done. So for example, this is the wallet. All you have to do is you will need to click on your ETH, click on receive and copy your address and paste it over here. Now once you do that, in the chain type all you have to do is you will need to select this chain, which is ZkSync Era. So as you can see, the fee is only like close to $1, which is like 0.003 ETH, which is like pretty small amount. And to be honest, on Bybit the withdrawal amount is also pretty low, which is like only 0.003, which is a good thing because I keep using Get.io also, and in Get.io the minimum amount is more than 0.1 ETH. So for me, Bybit works good. Get.io also works good if I am withdrawing into large amount. So once you do that, once you click on transfer, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the funds to reflect in your Trust Wallet or maybe MetaMask wallet or any other crypto wallet that you use for ZkSync Era network. Now once it's done, all you have to do is you will need to go to ZkSwap or ZkSwap over here, and then you will need to connect your crypto wallet. And all you have to do is once you connect your crypto wallet, you can swap your ETH on the ZkSync Era network to any coins or tokens on the ZkSync Era. So there are a lot of options. There are a lot of meme coins. For example, there is Zik meme coin, then there is RhinoFi, Govi, some of the good tokens. This is OmniSea, which is a NFT platform for the ZkSync Era network. Then there is Shems, and there are a lot of other coins and tokens. In ZkSwap, you can also find a potential meme coin gem, which is Beanie. To be honest, I personally think that Beanie should do good in the long run. And there is Elmao, and then there is Zoro. There are a lot of coins and tokens, and similarly you can do it on ZkSwap also. The best thing about ZkSwap and ZkSwap is basically you get something called as a gas fee cashback. So basically, if there is some unused gas fees, that would be refunded back to your wallet. So this is how you can buy crypto gem, meme coins or other altcoins on the ZkSync Era network. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.